How well do you know the people on your sales team? And you might be saying, Brandon, I know them super well. I know their sales goals. I know what they're pacing. I know what their history has been. I know the companies they've worked for. That's great. But if I asked you, what are the goals that they have that they're going to use that income for? What's the reason they're in sales versus another job or a company where there's certainty of an hourly paycheck or a salary? What are their ambitions? What is the plan for their future? What do they want to accomplish with their life? Who do they want to become? Would you have the answer to those questions? I ask you this not from an empty place. When I first became a sales team lead back in 2016 actually, I sat down with each member of my team. And I didn't do this because it was my brilliant idea. I had a sales mentor who said, Brandon, this would be a great idea. You should give it a shot. You should get to know the people's motivations of the people that work for you. And I sat down with each person on my team for 45 minutes to an hour, sometimes an hour and a half. And we did this once every quarter. We called this a foundational interview. And this was an interview or a conversation where I did ask them for their sales goals, what they want to accomplish within the company. But it also included questions that asked them what their ambitions and their plan for their life was. What are you going to use this money for? Why are you in sales? Are you driven more by money or by recognition? Where do you want to go inside of this company? Do you want to grow inside of this company? Right? By the end of this conversation, it developed a level of trust and rapport with the people on my sales team greater than anything possibly could have. Because in a world where some of your sales team or most or all of your sales team might be in a virtual setting, they're working from home, you don't even physically see them, what's the only thing keeping them with your job or your company? It's the paycheck. That's it. This is why you hear things like the quiet quitting or the silent resignation or whatever the hell people are calling it out there with these trends. But the reality is, do you know what the people on your sales team want to achieve for their life? And if the answer is no, that's okay, because that's exciting. It means you have limitless opportunities to discover what their motivations are, what their plan is, and help them achieve that plan. Step one to building a team of peak performers inside of your sales organization, know what they want to achieve and help them achieve that goal. I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.